How to trick your mind into becoming extremely lucky. I'm so lucky that you are watching this video. Thank you. You know that feeling when you are about to sneeze, but it just won't come out? That is how most of us feel about luck. So close, yet so far. But what if I told you that becoming lucky is not about finding a four-leaf clover or rubbing a magic lamp? It is about rewiring your brain, and I'm about to show you how. Let us dive into the world of neural alchemy, where we turn the lead of everyday life into gold-plated opportunities. First up, the reticular activating system, or as I like to call it, your brain's personal Instagram filter. Right now, it might be set to unlucky loser, but we are about to switch it to fortunate badass. Here is your first homework assignment for the next week. Find the lucky explanation for everything that happens to you. Spilled coffee on your shirt, lucky you remember to pack a spare. Missed your bus, lucky you now have time for a refreshing walk. Red signal, I'm so lucky that I can meditate in my mind till the green signal appears. I'm so lucky I always gets parking. I'm so lucky I always gets green signals. But wait, there is more. Let me introduce you to the 9-step luck ladder. Believe you are lucky. Seriously, fake it till you make it. Be clear about your goals and shout them from the rooftops. Keep your eyes peeled for opportunities. They are everywhere. Surround yourself with positive people. Luck is contagious. Boost your karma, help others, and watch the good vibes flow back to you. Practice gratitude. It is like a miracle. Grow for luck. Relax. Stress is luck's kryptonite. Be proactive. Luck loves action. Face your fears. Remember, fortune favors the bold. Now, let me introduce you to my friend Sarah. She used to think she had all the luck of broken mirror under a ladder. Then she started climbing this luck ladder, lost her job. Sweet time for that career change I have been dreaming about. Spilled coffee on her shirt. Awesome, now I have an excuse to rock my backup outfit. This was her approach towards the life. 2 months later, she landed her dream job, all because she showed up to the interview in that backup outfit that made her feel like $1,000,000. But where it gets really juicy, the fear buster. That step 9 I have explained. Most people treat fear like it's a stop sign, but lucky people, they see it as a proceed with caution sign. Remember, every time you face a fear, you are literally rewiring your brain. It is like upgrading your luck software with every scary thing you do. So, here is your mission. Should you choose to accept it, start climbing that luck ladder. Be a luck detective. Find that fortunate angle in everything that happens. Missed your bus? Time for surprise adventure. Rain ruined your picnic? Indoor fort party. Remember, luck is not some cosmic lottery. It is a skill, and you are about to become the LeBron James of good fortune by training your brain to spot opportunities, reframe setbacks, and lean into fear. You are not just tricking your mind, you are giving it a full-on luck makeover. Ready to flip the script on your luck? Your journey starts now. Go out there and start collecting those luck balls. And hey, the fact that you stumbled upon this video, that is not a chance, that is your opportunity. Radar already kicking in. Look at you, you lucky duck. And I am also so lucky that you have watched this video till the end. Thank you.